I'm Mike Nelson, Spyder Extras, and I want to talk about a known problem with some of the Spyder F3s and RT models. If you've ever been on your Spyder, the F3 model or an RT model, and ever hear a clicking sound or a popping sound, whether it's factory or you've got an aftermarket sway bar kit, I want to show you what the problem is. When BRP makes these frames, for whatever reason, on the left side, if you're a driver on the left side setting, the bushing where the sway bar runs through, again, whether it's a factory bushing or an aftermarket bushing, for whatever reason, it does not always fit the same on the left as it does the right. So 90% of the time, anytime you hear popping, it's going to be coming from this left bushing right here. No matter how tight you tighten it, no matter what you do, it eventually will pop. And it doesn't do it on all F3 models and RT models, only on some of them. The solution for that is that the bushing can be removed and put grease, just regular automotive grease, on all three sides of the bushing, which is the front, the back, and the top. Doing so will solve that popping. You'll never have to grease it again. It only takes one time. But for whatever reason, any movement that bushing makes in that channel is what creates that popping. Now, so many people think it's the sway bar links. It's not the sway bar links. It's always that bushing. And one way you can tell is to have someone set on the Spyder, rock it back and forth, and if you reach down and touch that bushing, you will feel that bushing physically move against your finger. When you grease all three sides, the front, the back, and the top, that will solve all of your popping sounds. Then you'll be ready to ride. Thank you so much for watching today. We ask that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And don't forget to check out SpyderExtras.com for all your Spyder and Ryker accessories. Thank you so much for watching.